In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Roblox shaders. So these are going to be the same shaders that all of the popular YouTubers and all of the streamers used for their Roblox game. Now, this is super simple to install. We just need to head over to an internet browser. And before we start, just a note, this will only work on Windows computers and if you have an NVIDIA graphics card installed. So all we're going to do is head over to a search engine and type in Blockshade and then click on this top search result, blockshade.com. Now, like I said, this is the most popular tool for free shaders for Roblox, and all we need to do is click on this download button here, then click on the zip file from your downloads folder, and then just go in, extract this file to your computer. Once it's extracted, you should have this setup Blockshade file here. So what we're going to do is just right click on this, click on run as administrator, and that's going to pop up with this window here. Click on install, and then you just need to wait a moment while this goes and installs Blockshade onto your system. Then what we can do is go and select the community presets that we want to install and use for our shaders. Now you can install multiple ones here, so just scroll through this list and click on the install button next to the ones that you want to install. So as you can see here, I've clicked install and it will say community presets were installed successfully. Then go and press next, uncheck all of these options here and press finish. And then what we're going to do is head over to our start menu and just launch up the Roblox player. Now, once you've opened up Roblox, then just launch up any experience. So I'm just going to launch this experience here. Then from here, come over to the Roblox settings page in the top left-hand side. Click on settings and then scroll down to graphics mode and make sure this is set to manual and you want to increase the graphics quality all the way up to its highest amount. And the next thing you need to do is make sure you have the NVIDIA application installed on your system. Now, if you don't already have this installed, then you can just head over to a search engine and type in NVIDIA app download and go and download the official NVIDIA app. Now, because I already have this installed on my computer, I'm just going to open up the application like so. In the NVIDIA application, click on settings in the bottom left-hand side and make sure NVIDIA overlay is turned on and enabled. So now you can see here, in order to bring up the NVIDIA overlay, we need to press Alt plus the letter Z on our keyboard. So what we can do is head back over to the Roblox game, and now we're going to press Alt plus the letter Z on the keyboard. Then from here, click on Game Filter, and now in the left-hand side, make sure to enable customization of the appearance of your game, and then you may need to relaunch Roblox in order to be able to see these filters, and then in the left-hand side, you should then be able to select your block shaders. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.